I am so pale looking in this camera and I'm not as pale offline. What is happening here? How do I fix my camera settings? Anyway, welcome back to the channel. If you have not been here before, yeah, my name is Ashley. We just go with the flow. So this week is the vlog. We're doing a little vlog of the next couple of days. Today is Monday, so I have no help with me on a Monday. I have two chaos little mini me's running about wrecking the show. Like right now, this is pretty tidy, but as the day goes on, it will get worse. Anyway, I'm gonna do my makeup. Finally, we have no snow anymore. It snowed so bad last week. What has happened with my phone? It just keeps buzzing. Oh, it's Pierce. Hold on 2 minutes to get this.
Yes.
I'm just letting you know there's like 4 packages that arrived for you today. There was actually like 1 for me, but 4 for you.
Daddy.
Can't remember what it is. Hello.
Who's that?
Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
Your mommy. Daddy.
Yes.
Okay.
She's
Yes, Lisa, straight.
she's pointing at the photos on the phone. Bye, Daddy. Say bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
Love
Bye.
you all. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye bye.
By the way, I use my NARS. It's not Sheer Glow. What is it? Illuminating foundation. That one, and then the second skin, Amy Connolly. Oh no, thank you. I don't need that. These as a little mix, and I just find like it's the perfect kind of shade and texture for my skin, like kind of dewy but also like long lasting. I was sent from GHD the curve wand, so I'm gonna try this out. I think you're supposed to use a glove with it, but I'm gonna be a rebel and not. This year I have started to go swimming. I didn't have a car yesterday, so we usually go on a Sunday with the girls swimming. But I signed up for the gym membership then last night, not to go to the gym, but to use their facility so I can go swimming once a week, because I'm really enjoying that. It's the only exercise that I love doing, like one of the only exercises I love doing, and it doesn't feel like exercise, so it's really good for like my mind. And I actually feel like I need to go today because I'm so zonked of energy. I'm so tired. I have such a sore head. I've been trying to bring myself out of this since 7 o'clock this morning, and it's not like I didn't have a good sleep. I had a really good sleep last night. Like I went to bed really early last night, and maybe I overslept, but I am not feeling it today. Going swimming, gonna try and start the yoga as well in the green field, and then I also want to do horse riding. So I have looked about a place. I'm hoping that they have a space available during the week whenever I don't have the girls. And then if this is the way my mind works, like whenever I mention I'm going horse riding, everyone's like, oh, you're taking the girls horse riding. I'm like, no, me selfishly, I am going horse riding first, but I want to find out, it sounds really silly, but is it safe enough to take my girls to? And I know other people will be like, yeah, it is, but I just need to know myself how it all works, so if the girls ask me any questions or if they have any fears themselves, that I can answer it because I've been through it. So I really want to start it, then I'll see how I get on, and then I might try the girls at horse riding as well and see if they would like to go. So these are how the curls are looking. I'm not waiting for them to cool, I'm just brushing them out so I'm getting that loose wave already. That's the way it's going to end up. I like it. Oh, and we got a table this week as well, a dining table, which we haven't had for ages, so I must show you that. And also, there's going to be mess. You're going to see mess everywhere in this house, probably everywhere like that I turn. But number one of like the most important thing to remember as a parent for a tidy house and how to keep a tidy house is don't expect miracles, because it does not happen. So it's a round table, but it does extend out. I just thought for our space that's really cute, and then at Christmas time I can like extend the table so it's longer and it'll fit like 6 to 8 people around it. But then we only need it at the moment for the 4 of us, and it gives us a good bit of space still to work with that we can then hopefully put like some sort of cabinet thing over here. Also got this little olive tree, which is also very cute, and if you go online and look at it, it doesn't look like this in the picture, so I didn't actually know what I was going to get, but I was glad, pleasantly surprised that it came looking like this. I have to get a little pot for that. This is the reality. Like this was a cherry. What is this now? That was a cherry. Okay, so we're gonna open my PR packages, so the packages that I have at the new table, because why not? I want to show off my new table. So I have a PR package from Ella and Joe, and Never Fully Dressed, and then I ordered stuff from Adanola, so I'm very excited to open up that one. It's like a curiosity kills a cat kind of vibe, because I'm ripping into the Never Fully Dressed one next, because I already know what I got from the package I ordered, so I'm excited to see what's in here. Okay, so we have 2 little bits. I love Never Fully Dressed, so whenever like I get a PR package, it's like a bit of a buzz moment. Okay, so this is a little sort of corset top with a big sort of, yeah, corsage is what you call it, like the big flower corsage. Be nice for like going out top. Okay, this is something sparkly and brown. That's all I can see right now. Oh, it's a knit skirt. I actually want the cardigan in this, so I actually might see if I can order the cardigan myself. So it's a little knit skirt. I'll try it on with the corsage top and see what it looks like. I know everyone will look at this like a Christmas piece, but do you know, if you watch my trend video, you'll know that like sparkle season is entering into summer, spring 2023. And it's light enough as well, this little skirt, that it would do summer too. This is in a size small and it actually fits perfectly. Okay, this is the corset top. I might just take it to dressmakers and get the zip taken in a bit more. Also, I would not pair it with this. This is not how I would wear it. And other people will make it look really nice with these 2 together, but I think for me, the corset with a pair of jeans is how I'd probably wear this top. The detail on this is absolutely fabulous for a night out. It's oh, it's very like that brand, sorry, it's very like that designer at the moment that is doing the heels with the roses at the bottom. Is it Louis doing that at the moment? I think I'm going to style the knit skirt with this brown shirt I have. This, definitely, that's a lot better looking, but I'm going to try on these boots as well with it. It's like a Matilda Jerv kind of style. That's definitely, I think, a far better look than with the corset. Then you could just throw a little blazer or something on top as well. Like, I literally have high hopes for this just because everybody raves about the quality. Okay, we got 2 pieces. A pair of black leggings, just like ordinary seamless leggings, and then a funnel zip top. Okay, so already I love how these suck you in. I feel like they're doing an amazing job right now, because I definitely wasn't as slimline as this 2 minutes ago. These are in a size small and they fit really well. They're even almost, I don't have a thigh gap, but they're almost giving me that, so like happy. I like them a lot, so I'm hoping that the funnel top is just gonna be as amazing. Let's see. This is it. Color-wise, is this my color? I want one of the hoodies as well, like a grey hoodie or a black hoodie. Well, let me know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, and if there's any Adenola pieces that you like that you think I should get instead, because yeah, like I said, I am new to Adenola, so I don't know what like the key pieces are that everyone buys. Some dinner tonight. So I did some filming earlier and Elise pooped. Took her nappy off and pooped. Yes, you! Over in the toy area. So I had that mess to clean, and now I'm like, I'm going to enjoy this. Was it good? Sitting over there by yourself. You're not coming over here? You're not coming over beside mommy and daddy? Different from everybody else. Everyone else is having prawns and pasta, and you're having sausage rolls. And chips, but you ate them all. Kittens, don't be so rude.
I know.
Package just came in the post. It's from Amazon. I did open it there. It is for my camera. I don't actually know what I'm going to use it for. I think it's like a handheld thing where you could like obviously vlog. Just this little boyo here. Now, I don't know if you can hear in the background, but I'm a little bit of a nerd. I listen to classical music. Well, now I've started listening to classical music when I do my makeup, when I'm in the shower. I think it sends me, it calms me. It's my zen, in my zen moment whenever I listen to classical music. I used to hate it whenever I was younger, and now as I'm getting older, I'm appreciating it. It just makes everything just go like. My blush today is Pearl Girl Next Door, and then also used Liquid Lights by Amy Connolly, sculpted by Amy Connolly in Rosy Glow, and it just gives a little bit more pop and like a little bit of like highlight and shine to your cheeks. DPT mail's coming, which means I have a parcel. Hold on. My outfit is not OTDD, Just wearing my Uggs in the house and my leggings and this stripy top. This is just this morning while I was getting the girls ready. I have a parcel from Kevin Murphy. Well, let's open it and see what's inside. I have a funny feeling this might be for work. And I also have an ASOS parcel coming today, so I'm very excited for that. No, not ASOS. Sorry, Zara. Okay, why is this so complicated to open? I'm gonna end up cutting myself and having to go to A&E at this rate. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, what is this? These must be different, like, blow dry sprays. There's 4 of them. So there's like a thicken, a volumize, a bounce, and a smooth one. That's how it's coated at the side. That's kind of cool. Blow dry shampoo and conditioner. I do love a good blow dry, so I'm very excited to use this Kevin Murphy stuff. I have work to do today and I have a Zara parcel come in, so while that's coming, I am super hungry. I'm gonna set this up here and then I'm gonna make myself some Philadelphia and salami. This is actually more than I expected to have. So yeah, it's a big Zara haul. I'm gonna film it later today, but it probably won't be up in this vlog, obviously, so you're gonna have to come back to see the Zara haul. That box is actually really heavy. It's that heavy that it's like, look, it's bust at the seams. So I ain't lying about this being a big haul. Got some other bits and bobs in here as well. Come back for the haul. Oh, that is not on the right setting. Morning, guys. So we are, thank you, Tata. The girls are actually not supposed to be off today, but they are. Because someone woke up with a temperature today, so I am getting very little work done. I actually have to do a bit of an ad now, but it's for something that I actually absolutely love, and it's the Detox and De-Bloat JS Health. I've been using these like literally non-stop. They make me feel so good. Like, this is not an ad on here, but it's an ad on Instagram that I'm doing. I have to show off like what I eat them with, so I'm making like a little fancy kind of brunch meal, which I would typically eat. You take them like 1 a day with food, and if you're like prone to bloating or anything, they're so good for like de-bloating, because I have definitely not been as bloated since using these. Also, I don't know if this is actually a side effect or not, but like whenever I started using these, started peeing loads. So I suppose that's like the detox where like it clears out of your system. But yeah, you know the way if you're feeling bloated, by the way, this is what I find. When I feel bloated, I feel sluggish, I feel lethargic, and I just don't want to do anything. I'm so demotivated. So these are also helping with the motivational, like, you know, aspect. My dad always says, if your gut feels good, then you feel good. So yeah, if you haven't tried these, I think by the time I post these up, the discount code that I have for them will have obviously expired. But try these. If you try any of them, the detox and de-bloat, and you will notice a difference literally after like a couple of weeks. You'll notice a difference, but you do need to take them like every day. I didn't even get to film yesterday, by the way, anymore, because after I got work done for Instagram doing some reels, my dad came around, and I haven't seen my dad. He used to live in France, and I haven't seen him in like, I've only seen him maybe 4 or 5 times in the last like 10 years, just with the way he works and the way I work, and we're just never like off at the same time. The pandemic, and then he came home, and I don't know what he's thinking of doing. I don't know if he's like thinking of like leaving France or what he's thinking of doing, but I have him home at the moment, so I'm enjoying that. So then I was like, I have work to do, but my dad's here, so I went and made like sausage casserole last night, and yeah, had some family time, and it was really good. Oh my god, the sun is coming. This is the perfect time to get a photo. This is every content creator's dream. And this is what I made. This is a piece de resistance. Yeah, so like it still looks nice without the light, but it looks better in the light. Do you know what I mean? Like, that's so much more enticing. Okay, we've got one child that's starting to feel better, and then we've got the other one here who's decided that we're making Rice Krispie buns. So that's what we're filling our day with while the girls are off sick. Okay, so 2 kids, Rice Krispies, and some marshmallows.
Yes, we're making crispy buns.
Let's see how this goes.
Yeah.
Whack that in there. Oh. We're already making this. Good girl. Do you want a marshmallow? Yummy. Look, see the butter on the side? Hold on to fix that.
No meow.
Okay, you do it. You do it. You do it. You want to put the Rice Krispies in the bowl?
Yes.
How many have you got in there? Marshmallow goo. Yeah, that's good. Way, go you girl.
It's going to be very good, Mummy. Isn't it?
I hope so. I think we have more of like a goo now. That looks better. It was touch and go. It was touch and go.
I want you to mix it.
Okay, you mix it. Mix it fast because it'll start. You're gonna have to press this. What?
Mommy,
It's like a big gooey webby monster. Yeah, now I'm just hammering it in and hoping for the best. So Elise has decided to put some random marshmallows. We just stuck them in there too. Put it in the fridge, guys. And that's a little tower of Rice Krispie buns, which the girls will probably dig into now.
Me.
Okay, take one. Do you like them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love them too.
You love them as well. Oh, you've got two, you cheeky rascal. The kindest little soul. Mommy brought you up well. Oh, you gave me a whole bun. Are you gonna save some buns for Daddy?
Yeah.
Good girl.
This one.
I like this one more. Cadence likes this one more. Okay, and look what just arrived. So I haven't actually had anything from Kylie Jenner in quite a while. So I had a little sneak peek in here. It's just the Kylie skin stuff. So I'm more excited to try this. So this is the Kylie skin lip oil. Whatever is on my lips is nearly off, so I'm gonna try this now. But this lip oil says this non-sticky conditioning oil that leaves lips with a smooth, glossy and naturally plumped finish. So let's try it. The applicator is so cute. It's the size of that applicator. So I'm gonna, oh, I actually love the feel of it already. Yeah, like I thought if I show it in the sun. Yeah, I love this lip oil. I am converted. For me, that's a 5. Lip oil is like, I am just down in Belfast now. I have an event to go to, so I'm gonna take you there with me. I'm meeting Kristen, and whew, I have been so lucky getting down to Belfast today. All green lights, like space right at the door of Victoria Square, and I feel like doing the lottery now.
Pardon your mouth? Stay in your lane. Can I use this bowl? Yeah. Where are we at? Do you want an oyster each? No. Aphrodisiac. This is for all my lovers. I know the perfect song. Oh my god. I got the side lady. I got caught on your like lip. So.
We're in the car park and we're learning our Italian lessons.
Scusa, tu sei Matteo.
Scusa, tu sei Matteo, vero? Matteo. I'm a quick learner. Where's my car? Is over here. I'm still learning coffee and you're learning, what are you learning?
About women and men and where they're going and where they're coming from, and they're writing in their journaling.
Redheads are the best.
Redheads.
I am not long up. I forgot to put on my tannin serum last night for my face, so my face is so pale compared to my tan on the rest of my body. I'm ready to edit this vlog. So last night I forgot to actually take any videos of the event. I did take it along to Send though. It was very yummy. It's like one of my favorite places, but I love sushi. It's one of my favorite foods ever. Morning, bedhead. Oh, what's wrong? Look at this bedhead. Look at Elise. Are you going to edit my video for me? Maybe you should edit it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you later in the next one. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.